Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to schedule Best Buy curbside pickup. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So scheduling a Best Buy curbside pickup involves selecting the option during online checkout. So when you simply go ahead and purchase something. So for example, let me just go ahead and add this to cart. As you can see down here, there is going to be your little shipping or pickup option right over here, and simply go ahead and click on pickup and then click on continue and schedule it just like that. So it is as simple as that. You need to go ahead and wait for notification in order to go ahead and understand that your order is ready for pickup. By the way, Best Buy will hold your item for 5 days before canceling the order and issuing a refund. When you arrive at the store, bring your photo ID and the credit card used for the purchase. Park in the clearly marked curbside pickup spot, usually located in front of the store. Also, use the Best Buy app or the link in your ready for pickup email to click I am at the store. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.